my name is Thomas. I'm the co-founder of Paris Concierge. We have more than 150 properties. We are one of the leading companies in the Parisian market today. Since we have Guesty, we have more time to focus on services provided to the guest. Everything is listed in the same dashboard, saving us a lot of time. Since we had the Screen and Protect, we saw that we have more bookings. The guests do not see the deposit on the bookings. Easier to see what they are going to pay. They don't have to pay for any additional fee, so they are more keen to book the properties. Before the Screen and Protect, we were working with a company called Sweetly, which were asking for the credit card information from our guests. It was creating a little bit of frustration to the guests and for our team as well. We have a big apartment that can host 12 people. During the stay, one of the guests broke a part of the bed. With the Screen and Protect, you don't have to ask anything to the guest. You directly send your case to the insurance, and the insurance will find you straight away. So we had a very good review, and of course we were able to repair the damage. So it was very helpful to have the Screen and Protect. As a high-end concierge service, we are trying to push all the upsells. With Guesty, now it will be easier for the guest to choose the service and to pay for it. I would say to a property manager who is afraid to remove the security deposit that if he removes it to add the Screen and Protect, his life will be easier. The guest will be more happy at the end of the stay and will give better review.